Hi, I'm Angie and I look after Santa's reindeer. Many people wonder how Santa gets around the world with his reindeer. Well, I'm going to let you into a little bit of a secret. He has reindeer stationed in all the countries around the world, so when he's flying to this country and they're tired, they can then put their feet up in a stable, have a rest, and he'll pick up some in the UK. So I welcome you to the UK reindeer headquarters. We're going to go out into the paddocks to see the reindeer, and we're going to see if anybody wants some reindeer moss. But I'll tell you first a little bit about what they eat. A lot of people ask what reindeer eat, and here is some feed. So this is reindeer pellets. They're specially formulated for the reindeer. I've got lots and lots of good bits and pieces, minerals and things in them. And then we've got some flake barley, which is this one. But they love that. It's like a nice porridge for them almost. But the majority of them like this. This is called reindeer moss. And the reindeer moss is otherwise known as lichen. And we have to import it into the UK for them. And you dunk it into some water, it absorbs the moisture, and then they eat it. It's a bit like chocolate for reindeer. They absolutely adore it, and gives them lots of energy. So it's good for when they're just about to go out flying. So just for kind of leading up to Christmas Eve, but they'll be on quite a lot of that per day to help with their flight schedules. The other part of what they eat, obviously they're on grass, but they also eat a lot of wheat straw. And the wheat straw gives them roughage, so it's a good source of fibre for them. And then they'll also have some hay. And as you can see, we have plenty in supply for them. Okay, let's see who's around. Okay, so in this paddock, we've got our boys. As you can see, they're all over here as well. We'll see if anyone wants some food. They've got a beautiful location. So we've got a couple of boys playing in the background. They have a bit of a push and pull with their antlers at various times of the year, and they're doing that at the moment. So here we have Sven, Finn and Stig. They've just stripped all the velvet from their antlers. So while their antlers are growing, they're covered in soft brown fur called velvet, and it protects their antlers when they grow. And between September and October, November, they start stripping all the velvet off because the bone calcifies, so it gets really, really strong. So you can see on Stig's, he's got little bits of velvet on his antlers. This is Sven. He's very cheeky, very similar to the character from Frozen. The antlers fall off every year. A lot of people don't realise that. So every year they start growing in March, April time, and they finish growing in August. And any time between now and March, the antlers will drop off completely from the base. They're left with a little blister patch underneath them. All of this grows in a matter of 4 to 5 months, and it's so much that you can almost see it growing every day. There's something different about them every day, at least. So this is Torben. He's one of our boys who is about 4 years old now. He's very friendly, as you can see, and he's really enjoying all the moss. So it's quite exciting because we never know who Santa's going to pick for help him pull the sleigh on Christmas Eve. But this guy, he will probably, maybe in a year or two's time, when he's a little bit bigger. But as you can see, they're very, very sweet. about reindeer is that they've got hollow hair, and it helps them when they swim, and it helps them keep warm. So it looks like a straw, yeah, it's very buoyant. These are some of our girls just relaxing in the winter sunshine. The one who's coming over here is called Duva, and she's quite a cheeky young lady. We hand raised her, and she's adorable and has even been in our house as well. This is one of our reindeer calves from this year. She's born in May and she's very beautiful. A fun fact about reindeer is that they only ever have one calf a year. Our reindeer are really looking forward to seeing you today. One thing which I would suggest is if you all come out really quietly, you might be able to hear the noise the reindeer make, and it's a clicking noise. So when you come out, stay quiet and listen to if you can hear them when they're walking.